That's right, America. If you're over 50, America needs you, especially if you have a 3D printer, and if you don't, you should, because manufacturing is going to be cost so much when we're over the seas, and the cheapest way to manufacture in the States right now is using 3D printing. My name is Will. Welcome back to the channel. This is Blue Riz 3D Printing. I'm glad you're here. I guess what I'm trying to say is if you have a 3D printer in your home, you don't have to go and buy these Chinese parts. All right, you can make the Chinese parts right here in your home. All right, this is something I'd go to Lowe's for. Then I would, it's just a water hose holder, and I printed it in 2 hours with a little pet G. And I got enough to make 10 a day sitting up on a shelf. But items like this where we'd be at Lowe's and see these things and buy them, those are from China, in Indonesia, overseas. Everything is coming from overseas is going to cost us more right now. So the best thing to do is to start making it ourselves. Well, you can't have the big companies do it because all they're going to do is put robots in there and have somebody, just 5 or 10 people work in a factory. But if you have a 3D printer in your home and they're cheap and they're very good, especially if you're over 50, you got time on your hands, and even at the 60s, that's where I'm at, in the 65, and we can do anything. I mean, when I retire, I may get into gardening, and I may need a pot to put plants in. Like just print one off. It's just not little trinkets out here, like dragons and stuff. There are real products out there that you can print off. I am designing this little shelf. It is for commercial use. It's for businesses. It goes on a slat wall. It holds paint chips or whatever. We can design to do anything. We'll get $5 to $10 a piece, and they're buying 50 at a time to put on a wall. That's just one company, and this is all over the world. So you can do the manufacturing at home. You don't have to send it out. You don't have to start a company. You can start off with one printer and then wind up with as many as I got. I got 4 now. I got more on the way. There are people on YouTube who actually had 50, 100 printers. Oh my God, I can go off on the videos I've been watching, and I'm going to do a video about that too. Because without those people who have already stepped out in front of me, and I'm in their way, really. But I give off a hats to Sam Crap and Mountain Maker. Those little guys, in a short period of time have really come a long way. And then that inspired me. So here I am asking for people in your 40s, your 50s, your 60s, 70s, get a damn printer. What's stopping you? It's not that hard anymore. I mean, it literally prints itself. I open the box and, you do a few things just like you would a microwave oven or a toaster oven, one of the new air fryers. You do this, you unwrap it, you pull this tape off of it and take the stuff off the glass. And then before you know it, you're sitting there, and then all you do is load the filament. And then you go to, say, like Bamboo Labs and pick a free file. And the free file is right there. You just, it's like Google. You just type in what you want. It takes out, you pick out what you want. You say, send it to the slicer. A slicer, all it does is it creates all the layers that it takes to build it in the printer. And then after that, a few settings of what kind of filament you're going to use and, placement and stuff. Then you hit prep and you wait a few hours. If you're like me, I have a lot of things I want to get, I want a lot of things. So if I'm printing this and it takes 2 or 3 hours, but I need something else, and to be honest, some of the things don't take 2 or 3 hours. They take 10 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 14 hours, whatever. And sometimes you got to print 2 different beds to put the thing together. There is some assembly required. There's post cleanup. This actually had no cleanup. I didn't even use the heat gun to it, just to clean it up. I guess what I'm trying to say is, get a printer. It's not that hard. I do it. The 65. The hell with going to dollar store anymore. The hell with that. Anyway, till next time, this is just a little bonus video, me shooting off a little bit. I do appreciate it if you made it this far into the rant. But if you would, just give me a like downstairs, maybe a subscribe. I'm trying to get my little YouTube thing going here, and it's really come a long way for me. And mainly because the ease of things after you get started, it's just a matter of getting started. So if you want to get started, comment below. I'll be glad to get you going too. It's very easy. But until next time, I don't know what I'm printing right now, but I hope you'll print it with me next time. See ya.